Ngựa này hình như là ngựa đua các bác ơi.
Right around there and get around you. That's why it'd be nice to have a. It would be really nice to have a standalone stand, you know, like a
right here. And you could have this whole area. Just this whole span, Jake. Right here.
Yeah. Well, I do have that two-man blind.
You do have a blind?
Or the two-man stand.
Cái cây này trái đẹp ghê á.
That tree worthy?
No, definitely not. It's 18 feet tall. It's almost as tall as that tree.
It's like instant death if you fall.
Well, so anyways, somewhere around here, we can see
Dude,
the deer,
huge.
The deer are coming through here.
That's a big hoof print.
Yeah.
Ồ, dấu chân nai nha. One more.
There's another one, am I?
Yeah. And Matt, I saw deer shit.
Yeah, it's all over.
Oh.
Very funny, Vaughn. 50 years older.
Well, I was thinking I want to put up that new stand I got over in that other cluster by the pond.
What's the new one like? The one we put up last
Just
week?
like that, but double wide. See the two-seater.
Do you have a ratchet set?
Yeah.
Adam Schiff
That's him.
being constantly
It's so beautiful. Because he told me just 2 weeks for deer hunting we gone
Yep.
and in the winter
No, fall.
Yep. In the fall.
and you just have permission to shoot only one deer.
Sometimes two. Depends on.
The
In
license?
southern Minnesota, you can maybe shoot 3. Northern Minnesota, only 1. This area, most
How
of the
about right
time,
here?
2 usually. 2 deer.
How about right here?
2 deer.
Because the last time I remember you told me you want a male so you can have, get the whole.
A doe, yeah.
Yeah.
You get 2 deer then. 1 male, 1 female.
Oh.
Or sometimes you can do 2. Some years, it changes every year, but some years you can do 2 females, but never 2 males, only 1 male.
Oh. So they protect male instead of female?
Well,
It's
1
about
female can make 1 deer.
Ah.
1 male can make 100. So
Oh, yeah, I got it.
You know how they do that, Vaughn?
Yeah?
They boom, boom. Jake's seen them in the yard banging. The one.
I wish I
behind
could.
the mount and boom.
Yeah, I wish I could. And you know, on my video, I saw the dog take a poop and he's like it because he never saw it in his life.
I've never seen a duck shit, Jake. He did it while walking.
Oh.
They just fucking mid-stride. Didn't even fucking.
yeah,
say
they
something.
poop. Everything's poops. Everybody poops, Matt. Yeah, she wants. Yeah, I got a slow body there. Look at see this birch tree there? That's a deer. That's a big deer doing that. See the one behind
it is.
Those are from the deer scraping on the trees.
Oh,
Look
really?
Look ahead of us.
Like this?
Yeah,
Like
they,
this?
yeah, they scratch with
Oh.
their antlers. See that?
Damn, dude.
So they're coming. So the bucks are coming right through here.
Cái dấu con nai nó cào đó các
There's
bạn.
also some
Ở
bucks
trên
sign
cái
over on the
cây
side
á.
of the pond over the road.
Where
What I
you
think
shoot.
that is a different sets of bucks. So I've got a tree stand in this tree right in front of us
I
here.
see it. Yep, you're right.
I haven't checked that for.
Where does so Chapin's over there?
Yeah, we're gonna drive back over there. He had a ground blind set up over here. I don't see it now. Maybe he took it down. Or maybe it fell down.
One?
It was right there. It was right there. He had no, it's still there. It's all dilapidated.
Dilapidated.
This one was built. I built these, both this one and the one out front, quite a number of years ago. I don't think this thing. Just looking at it, I don't think it's a functioning stand.
Let's try it out. Let me climb up it. Hold on, Jake.
Cool. You will make it drop. I know how
Make it drop.
close you are.
Man, you gotta be a monkey to get kind of.
Yep. Yeah, it's a little bit of a.
All right, let me try it out.
You fly.
I guess it's still seems pretty sturdy still. Yes.
Boom!
Jake, I like it.
That woods.
Oh my god, did you see that dude stand? It is fancy.
See right on the property
Right
line.
there. Oh, alright. Then yeah, you're right.
Can't shoot back at the barn or the horses, so that's.
Corner tree.
So
See
we
if
could
it's
go
worth it.
down to like that next little grove right there.
Is there any space between the fence and this grove?
No.
No, there
Up
isn't.
to it.
What about this pine tree right there? That with the big open
I'm not
spot?
putting it. I'm not putting a ladder stand here. So I'm putting a ground blind here.
Oh.
Ladder stand's going back in them woods where I want to hunt.
It's a man job.
What, walking's a man's job? Shooting a deer is a man's job. You know, she's recording. Guess what I got caught on tape saying, and she left it in too. Carving a pumpkin. I said, I was all crap. I said,
I'm good. No, you know good. I mean, you good. I'm better.
Yeah, that's better. Right
Yeah.
over here.
So you can set up for the chair.
Yeah, enough room for a chair.
all right. It's not ripping.
Yeah,
Again.
yeah, totally.
Perfect.
I thought it was going to be a little bigger than this, and I think we'll want to zip tie it down so that when you're sitting, you know, maybe I don't know, maybe you want to. I don't think you want to stand all the way up for your shot. Okay. Yeah, those little footsteps.
Back here. Unless you want back here. Have a beer, sir?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Unless you want to jack your shin.
There for drinking.
Hey. Where are they? Are you, sir?
Two sets of these. There's yours. It's probably some liability thing because it's a two-man stand. They have to include 2 instructions. Okay.
You need a half-inch rack.
Yeah, we got those. All right. Assembly instructions. We need part number 20. We need this piece here, and we need. That's what I was saying before, man. Here, well, wait a minute. These two I have to go. Let's throw him down. Funny. Easy. Like better not to use it at all. Okay. Okay. Now we're all ladder. I think you'd lay it on its back now.
And I do it one more time.
It hurt my neck.
No, just, yeah. Okay, good. Oh.
Got more 20s.
How many?
Vonda carried all the hardware.
How many more 20s?
Aren't we? Isn't that what we're calling the bolt?
Yeah, but I mean,
I got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 20s left.
I don't know how the camera works. It's a buck. He's looking right at us.
Damn right, I see rack.
So-
Got a nice rack. No, it is a.
It's a deer, male deer. We call a buck.
With the antlers is called a rack.
Yep. Oh, it's an 8-pointer at least.
See?
You got it. There he is, right there. Stop.
Yeah,
Right
I saw.
behind that sumac. Reverse at 4 feet. He's not moving. Reverse at 4 feet. He's looking right at us.
Yep.
Too dark.
Looks like about an 8-pointer.
Cái cây này là phải 2 người ôm mới hết đó nhờ các bạn. To ghê luôn đó.